Hi guys, in this video I will be talking about how you can change the fonts in all of your presentation in Google Slides. So this is convenient in case you have many slides and you want to change the font in all of them at the same time, so you don't have to go one by one. So to illustrate here, I have created two slides just for demonstration purposes. You can type here as well ABC, and you can see testing ABC, and this is just a letter and testing. So what you would need to do is you would have to go here to view and go to theme builder. This will open up your theme. So in the first slide you can see this master slide where you can edit the theme title and the different layers, so all the way down to 9th layer. You can see that the two slides are in yellow. This means that they use this theme. And then basically here the first theme is different layouts. So you can see that, for example, both of these two slides use this layout. So here select what you would need to change. So for example, I want the title and I would go to font and let's select, for example, this one. And for the first level, let's select this one. And that should be it. So let's close this and you can see that the title has changed and the first level has changed as well, and on the second slide this has been changed as well. So this way you will save a lot of time instead of going manually to change each section individually. So I hope that this quick tutorial has been helpful. Please remember to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and see you guys in the next video.